Introducing OPPO WhatsApp Chatbot, your 24/7 support buddy. Get answers to your questions anytime, anywhere. Our chatbot is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No language barrier here. Our chatbot supports multiple languages, so you can ask questions in your preferred language. Hindi, English, Tamil, and more. Get product specs and prices instantly. No more searching online. Troubleshoot common issues with step-by-step guides. Get your phone up and running in no time. Find the nearest service center with real-time status and get directions. Check spare part prices and track your repair status with ease. And if you need more help, our human support team is here for you 24/7. Smart, multilingual, and always ready, OPPO WhatsApp Chatbot is here to help. Like, share and subscribe for more tips.